verdant environs of Vilnius, a contemporary abode of 318 square meters takes shape. This architectural marvel harmoniously melds with the undulating contours of a moderately sized 1,200 square meter plot, giving rise to a structure that marries functionality and aesthetic allure. The architectural canvas encompasses all requisite spaces and functional zones essential for a life of ease. This dwelling is bifurcated into two tiers, the street-facing entrance level and the courtyard-dwelling second level. The ground floor, replete with a garage, sauna, and technical amenities, caters to utilitarian needs. Ascend to the upper echelon, and you'll find the living room, dining area, kitchen, bedrooms replete with en-suite bathrooms and wardrobes. The majority of these chambers graciously offer vistas of the inner courtyard. A hallmark of this undertaking is the house's role as a sentinel, guarding against street noise and directing the primary living areas inward, where serenity reigns. The L-shaped configuration of the second floor conjures an intimate courtyard haven for residents and their honored guests. The landscape design, subtle and thoughtful, complements the stark geometry of the contemporary architectural lines and shapes. The somber facades exude a serene palette of earthy hues and textured finishes. For the exterior cladding, durable and authentic materials are employed: stone, concrete, and expansive panoramic glazing, seamlessly blending with the natural surroundings.